Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today in this video we will unbox and review the Glam Treasure Box February 2019 edition. It's a lifestyle subscription box priced at $14.49 including shipping. So let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box is reached to be. The usual box, quite huge in size and definitely a sturdy one. It says Glam Treasure here. Once we open, we have the info card and all the products are here, some of them bubble wrapped as well. So let's go through them one by one. So I'm starting with my favorite product in the box. There is a set of these rose gold brushes. This is a set which has these pink color bristles, very soft. Quality is quite nice, soft nylon kind of quality, not extremely good like professional brushes, but definitely something usable, and they look so pretty guys. I'm really liking the rose gold color of it, and it's a set of 8 brushes including face brushes, eye makeup brushes, and basically everything that you need to start off your makeup. So I'm just loving the color and this set itself. This is definitely a star product in my opinion. Then next we have this beautiful girly bag. It's a sling bag which has golden chain sling. You can either make it double like this, or you can make it a long sling by pulling one side of it. So that is completely up to you how long you want the sling to be, and this is a normal day-to-day use size. It's not too big and it's not too small. It will carry all your essentials. The color combination is such that it will match most of your outfits, so this is perfect for your office wear or just casual going out shopping kind of pouch. This is something that's as I said, very girly, so it will suit all your suits, kurtis, single piece dresses, and even with jeans, skirts and tops. Whenever you wear something girly with floral pattern and all, this is something that will go really well with those kind of outfits. This is actually not white, this is like an off-white or cream color along with black, and the golden goes really well with it. So I'm quite happy with the bag as well. Moving on to the jewelry, first we have this beautiful neck piece. It's a choker neck piece in golden color and it has these blue stones. If you have seen my recent central haul, then you know that I have got a blue dress recently and this would look so amazing with that, and that's why I love this so much. You can check out that video if you haven't already. I'll leave a link to it in the description box and also in the cards on the top right corner. Although it looks so chunky, this is very lightweight guys, and that also is something that I appreciate. So this is perfect for dresses, single piece dresses, or tops that have a bigger neckline or a wider neckline, so that you can wear this choker piece and it will look really nice. Along with that, we have a pair of earrings as well. Again, these white stones or rhinestones. Simple, elegant and sophisticated look. If you know me, you know that I love such classy patterns and timeless designs that I can wear anytime with any dress or any top. This is really versatile, ethnic or western, modern or casual. Anything goes with this kind of earring. So again, very happy with that. Next, like always, they also have a skincare product, and this time it's from a good brand, Oriflame Sweden. And this is a Love Nature Cream Mask for nourishing dry skin in the variant Wild Rose, 50 gram size, and used before 3/2019. I don't know if you all will get this kind of expiry, but this is kind of very soon. So this is a face mask. So you apply it on your face, keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. But since it's gonna expire so soon, I cannot wait to use it on my face. So I'll probably use it on my skin, my hands and my legs so that I can use it up before it expires. So that was the skincare product. I really liked it, but I'm a little disappointed with the expiry that it has. I wish I could have used it for longer. And finally, like always, we also have a piece of clothing. So this is how it is. It's a simple black color top with 3/4 hands, and it has this V pattern on it, these embroidery stickers on the left hand side, and this is a crop top, not too long. It will be like till above my navel, Since it's black in color, I do like it. It's simple. You can wear it inside your jackets during winters, and that's probably how I'm gonna use it. I will not be wearing it, just like that during summertime. The cloth is of normal t-shirt material. It seems decent. It's not too thick, it's not too light. It's quite good, I would say. And guys, the clothing is always size customized for Glam Treasure boxes, so you'll have the size options to choose whatever size you want the clothing in. So that was all I have in my Glam Treasure box for the month of February 2019. Here is the info card. This is the date night edition, and this is all that the box contains with all the individual prices mentioned. Well, some of the prices do look more than they should be, like more than I would expect them to be, but overall for the price tag of 1449, I am happy because I have a piece of clothing, some jewelry, some skincare, and some lifestyle items. My personal favorites will be this brush set and this particular necklace and earrings also. So both of these I'll be using. Necklace I might not have used, but since it matches my dress perfectly, I'll definitely use it. And this is a timeless design. I always like such pieces. The bag is also quite good quality. I did like it. It's very good for everyday use. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. If you want to order this box, then the direct link to the website and all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You'll also find the links to some other reviews and videos that you might like, so do check them out. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.